Een goeie.
Hoi.
Wat ben je aan het doen?
We zullen spreken Nederlands en English.
Oh, what are you doing today?
Just relax.
Relaxing?
Yeah.
Nice. You having fun here?
Yes.
What, you live here?
Yes, I live here. I'm from Ukraine.
Yeah.
And it's maybe you know this house for people from Ukraine, and now all my family in Ukraine. Yeah.
Okay.
I live here with my friends. Work on Sintana Parohi, DL Plastic.
What do you think of Friesland?
I think about Friesland only good things.
Yeah?
Yeah, because this side of Netherlands have a big and long culture, long history. I like people from here, and of course Frisian language. It's very difficult.
Oh, you know some words?
I know only like sneak. It's snits, leeuwarden, lowert. Something like this.
You have a barbecue here?
Yeah.
It looks good.
Lekker, ja.
Is this special dish?
Lekker.
Thank you.
Alsjeblieft.
Dankjewel.
Great.
So you do this every day here?
Vitamine.
Vitamine?
Ja, wat? Ja?
Yeah?
Great. Thank you.
Thank you.
Very nice.
Bon appetit.
So
It's smakelijk.
I write music, play the guitar, something like this.
Ooh.
A lot of different things.
Yeah, what kind of music you make?
Rock, rap, everything what my soul wants. My song about love in Ukrainian language. Злими завітали у ваш дім, то він без тебе, хто ти з ним дотисни, або емоції вгамуй, врятуй, або червону натисни, так прикро, коли ти що одному ціле життя, іншому грай. Ти пообіцяв, точно будеш іти до кінця. Thankful for help for Ukraine from Netherlands. Thankful for your kind. Кохай, та ніби завтра не настане. Я бачу чудово і наскрізь твої почуття. Не ховай, забудь або приймай. Лише або довіряй. Something like this, but I and my friends want to say big thank you for Netherlands.